Hello friends, in this lesson we will mostly talk about medical terms that are important for us to go to the doctor, ask for medicines and so on. So let's get started. Doctor in Kashmiri is doctor. Doctor. Medicine in Kashmiri is dawa. Dawa. Pain is dod. Dod. Sometimes we also use dag. Dag for pain. Fever is tap. Tap. I am hurt is mechu logmut. Mechu logmut or buchus zakhmi. Buchus zakhmi. Test is test. Headache is kaladod. Kaladod. Body ache is badandod. Badandod. Vomit is drok. Drok. Redness in the eyes is achan wazajar. Achan wazajar. Painkiller is painkiller or dagi khatra dawa. Dagi khatra dawa. Allergy is allergy. Swelling is hunyomut. Hunyomut or hunyer. Hunyer. Pus is pus. Sleep is nyandar. Nyandar. Restlessness is bekarari. Bekarari. Eyesight is ach gash. Ach gash. Weak eyesight is ach gash kam gomud. Ach gash kam gomud. Or sometimes we also use achan hund gash chu kam gomud. Achan hund gash chu kam gomud. Fracture is fracture or adij ch phutmuts. Adij ch phutmuts. I fell down is mecho dab logmut. Mecho dab logmut. Hospital is haspatal. Haspatal. Clinic is clinic. Patient is mareez. Mareez. Nurse is nurse. Nurse. Bed is bed. Room is kamra. Kamra. Fees is fees. ICU is ICU. Ventilator is ventilator. Better is behtar. Behtar.